chasing a bird. Getting the plovers. Stella's getting tired. The tongue is getting long. We gotta go to the car and get drinks. Look at all this sea turtle nests all the way up the coast. Look at this. They're marked in that red-orange tape. Some marked in green. I'd love to be out here some night when they hatch. Everybody on the shore is supposed to keep their lights off because they'll follow the light like it's the moon, and it will make them go across the road and not into the water. All kinds of things we got to think about when we live in nature. It's kind of pretty.